Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to reconnect our drive shafts to our center diff. And I went ahead and just soaked the pins in carb cleaner just to get all the dirt and grime off there. You know, less dirt the better. So the smaller end's going to go on your left drive shaft. Just going to slide it in like so. Make sure you line up the holes. Put your pin in. Then get your 1.5 millimeter hex and just screw it in like so. Make sure it's nice and snug. Some people like to Loctite these, but I don't, just for the simple fact that it's plastic in there. I usually Loctite metal to metal, but you could always use the blue. I use the red for metal to metal. So again, we're going to do the same for the other side. We're going to line up our holes. Make sure you're threading. I don't know if you can see that, but there's threading in there. You want to make sure that's your hole that you're going to use, not the back side. That's just for the bottom piece. You want to make sure that the threading's on that side. Slide it in, put your pin in, and tighten it up with your hex, your 1.5 millimeter. Alright, nice and tight. Alright, and so now we're ready to put this back in the diff housing. Alright, and what we're going to do is we're going to slide that in there like so. Pretty simple, but one thing that you want to do to make sure that it's not metal to metal contact, you can hear how it's kind of tight. What we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of red and tacky 2, multi-purpose, maximum surface. It has for high friction. And what we're going to do is we're just going to get a little bit of this on a Q-tip. And then we're just going to dab a little bit on the diff, outside diff gear. Just kind of roll it around and alright, that should be good for now. Then we're going to set it back in there. And we're just going to roll that around in there so it gets nice and lubricated. Make sure it's on there too. Alright, that feels good. Alright, now we're going to assemble the diff housing.